This is why you need to care. Directive 2008-104-EC is failing European workers. Directive 2008-104-EC, designed to protect temporary agency workers, is a wolf in sheep's clothing. It's supposed to guarantee equal treatment, but the loopholes are wider than the Grand Canyon. Basic working conditions? Maybe. But stable schedules, training, career development? Forget about it. This directive fuels a race to the bottom. Companies replace permanent jobs with cheaper agency workers, pushing wages and working conditions down for everyone. It's a divide and conquer strategy, pitting workers against each other. Precarious employment is the new normal. Agency workers are treated as second-class citizens. Fewer rights, zero job security. It's a breeding ground for anxiety and exploitation. And by fragmenting the workforce, this directive weakens unions and collective bargaining. It's harder for workers to fight for fair wages and conditions. It's a gift to corporations and a slap in the face to worker solidarity. This directive isn't about protection, it's about cheap, flexible labor. It's time to call it what it is, a betrayal of workers across Europe. We need legislation that truly protects workers, promotes stable employment, and strengthens collective bargaining. Rise up and demand a better deal. #workers' rights, #end precarity, #scrap directive 2008-104-EC.